Hello guys, this is Delta Sierra for Whiskey Oscar Foxtrot Kim from South Korea. So I've got a new update for the UV-K5 CW beacon firmware, and now you can actually configure all the parameters like call signs and the words per minute, CW tone. Everything is now pretty much configurable now. So in this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and explain about the details, how you can configure things, and the new features added. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the radio, and so you go ahead and press F and 5 to go to the CW operation. Now you see a couple of different things here. Then the last version, you have two CW strings, CW1 and 2. They're basically combined string. It acts as a single string. The reason why it's separated is just to give you some more spaces to enter more characters. And words per minute is set to 20 at the moment, and the rest are the same. And as always, you can change the power level by pressing the arrow keys, and you can start the transmission by pressing the menu button. Yep, that was it. And you can actually see the timings, the time left until the tone transmits. And if we finish this one, you can also see the waiting time, as you see here. You can always stop the transmission while it's ongoing by pressing the exit key, and it will just stop it. And you can exit again to go back to the main BFO mode. Now let's go to the menu, the settings. So you see the details. Now we have here from the number 3 menu, we have the CW ID 1 and 2, which you can go ahead and actually change its strings like that by pressing the arrow keys and going forward like that. Just yeah, like that. You change it like so, and go all the way to confirm it, as was the second one. And you can kind of see here that I put a bit of empty string on it, so that you have a little gap between the two strings. And the other one is the words per minute. You can decrease, increase, whatever you want. Let me set to maybe 15. CW tone is the frequency for the CW tone, which you can also configure like that. And CW beep is the initial continuous tone that is set to 5 seconds right now, but you can decrease it all the way to 0, which means it will disable the beep in the beginning, so it will straight away start the Morse code. And CW stop is the waiting time, so you can configure that as well. So that's the end of the configuration. And now I'm gonna show you how to configure those parameters in the Chirp, the programming software. So here I've connected the cable to my PC. All you gotta do is to load the module that's gonna connect the radio to the computer, the Chirp. So here you see the Chirp driver. You double click and load it. Also, before that, if you don't see this menu, load module, you have to go to the help and enable the developer mode. If it's not enabled, you may not see this load module menu. After you have loaded the module, what you're going to do is you go to the radio and click on the download from radio, and you see this menu. You select your COM port, which is COM4, in my computer right now. And vendor, you just leave it like that. Model is also this one. If it's something else, you select that one. And if this message comes up, it says experimental driver, it doesn't matter. So just click on this checkbox and click yes. That's it. And click OK. And it's gonna basically get the data from the radio. And here you can configure the memory channels and all. But what you want to do is to go to the settings here, and you can go to the CW settings, and here you can see all the parameters here like you saw, and you see all the details be configured. You can simply go ahead and type your own call sign. You can just simply edit this call sign. Maximum character is, I think, 10 characters long for each line, for each part. So you can enter maximum 20 characters long. And all these parameters you can also configure, the timings. So yeah, that's how you do that. And after you make some modifications, and again, you have to click on the radio and click on the upload to the radio, and you just click OK, and it's gonna upload that back to the radio, and that's gonna apply the settings. And also when you're flashing your firmware, as you see in the in my release, you can actually flash the firmware without downloading anything, any program, but you can also flash it with your browser. So all you gotta do is just go to the link, and it will load all the firmware, so you don't have to download the firmware. You can just go to the website and connect your radio, boot it to the bootloader mode with the you know how you do it, yeah. So yeah, and then just click flash firmware, select your COM port, and just click connect, and it's just gonna start flashing like that. And that's it.